AI solves its own AI-caused energy crisis? We're going to dive into that one right now. Thanks to oilprice.com for this one. Researchers discover algorithm to slash AI energy consumption by 95%. The use of AI is rising rapidly as machine learning and LLMs become a mainstream aspect of everyday applications. While the applications of AI spike, so too do their energy footprints and associated greenhouse gas emissions. So there's been a lot of articles in the media about the huge ramp in energy consumption caused by AI. Training AI models requires huge amounts of computing energy. How big? Check this out. This blew my mind. As the size and reach of the AI sector skyrocket, the computational power necessary to sustain the growth of AI is doubling approximately every 100 days. Did you catch that? Every 100 days, the amount of computing power applied to AI is doubling. Currently, ChatGPT requires around 464 megawatt hours each day, which is enough energy to power 18,000 homes in the US. That's every single day, folks. As a result, the tech sector is scrambling to discover new sources of clean energy, said Sam Altman of OpenAI. The AI systems of the future will need tremendous amounts of energy, and this fission and fusion can help deliver them. Altman was quoted in the Wall Street Journal. He's talking about nuclear power generation. The traditional is fission, and as my viewers know, a few different people are working on fusion power. And why is nuclear power considered clean? No greenhouse gas emissions from nuclear generated power, although fission has other problems. In addition to the attention toward increased clean energy production, many researchers and scientists are experimenting with ways to make AI more energy efficient. These largely revolve around different ways of computing which require less energy per calculation. One such solution is the potential application of quantum computing for AI, and I've done quite a few videos on that. In certain cases, quantum computers could be 100 times more energy efficient than current supercomputers. So that would be a very big step forward. However, the however is quantum computing in a really usable form is still a ways off. But there's another potential computational intervention that would be far simpler and more realistic to implement in the near term. Quantum computing is still more theoretical than applicable in critical domains. A team of engineers at Bit Energy AI, an AI inference technology company, has discovered that a novel integer addition algorithm could reduce AI's energy footprint by a whopping 95%. This is another truly revolutionary thing that's happening. Just like the last video I did that wasn't AI related, which will be done as posts in the future, by the way. But in the last video I did, check it out, mind-blowing revolutionary thing going on. Instead of using complex floating point multiplication, FPM, the method uses integer addition, the site Tech Explorer recently reported. Apps use FPM to handle extremely large or small numbers. It's also the most energy-intensive part of AI number crunching. This new technological breakthrough cannot be implemented soon enough. AI is expected to represent 3.5% of the global electricity consumption by 2030. So adding 3.5% to the global energy capacity of electricity is very tough to achieve. That's why this breakthrough is so important. Together with electric vehicles, AI is on track to add 290 terawatt hours of electricity demand to the U.S. energy grid over the same period by 2030 to reach the same level of energy consumption as the entire country of Turkey, the world's 18th largest economy. That really puts it into perspective. So electricity consumption by AI and EVs alone will be the same as the electric consumption of the 18th largest economy in the world. And that's just in the U.S. So this is crazy. So this is a major, major breakthrough. And it just beautifully illustrates the exponential nature of where technology is at this point in many different fields. So AI is causing this energy crisis. AI can also solve this energy crisis. This is a whole new paradigm. It's never happened before in history. Before in history, it always took a different technology to solve a crisis caused by a given technology. Great example. Go back 20 years ago, and the media and outlets were saying the world was starting to run out of oil. Then a whole new drilling technology was developed called fracking that opened up vast new reserves, energy crisis gone. However, in this case, AI is solving its own problem. That's never happened before. Yet another example of why AI is the most profound technology that humanity has ever developed so far. So thanks so much for tuning in. If you like this episode, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, please support us financially on Patreon. We're starting to get that support. It's helping to grow the channel. We really, really appreciate that. And as always, have a great rest of the week. Take care of yourself. I greatly appreciate my subscribers. You guys are the best, really help grow the channel, and I appreciate deeply your support. So thanks so much for tuning in. Take care. See you next time. Bye.